Hey everyone! Can you use WhatsApp without phone number? Officially, WhatsApp requires a phone number to create and verify an account. However, there are alternative ways to use WhatsApp without personal number. Let's get started. Here, first, you can use a landline number. When registering, enter your landline number and choose Call Me for verification. You'll get a voice call with a code. Next, you can also use a temporary or virtual number. Services like Google Voice, TextNow, or similar apps can provide a number. Enter that number in the WhatsApp and verify with the code. And lastly, you can use a secondary SIM. If you don't want to use your main number, you can register with another SIM card. And once verified, WhatsApp will keep working on Wi Fi even if the SIM is removed. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.